The iPad is a product that has delighted millions upon millions of users. Many people are wondering how Apple can improve on their revolutionary interface and ease of use. I believe that Apple will incorporate a high-resolution Retina display into this iPad. I also believe that Apple will add an improved camera for both video recording and taking pictures on the go, all while still maintaining the iPad's legendary battery life, as well as keeping the size of the device down to about the size of a notebook. I also believe that Apple will incorporate a way to input text more easily. In addition, I believe that Apple will streamline the overall interface and experience of iOS by incorporating multitask gestures and other similar things. This video, be sure to rate, comment, and subscribe, and check out my other videos by clicking them above. Don't forget to check out my iPhone 4 giveaway by clicking anywhere on the screen.